everyone, welcome back. It's Tuesday, April 14th, and we're going to try to do 2 classes in one today. So, my division class, I'm going to get you caught up on Sage. Okay? So you're going to have this form, or this worksheet. We're going to do light green stem, dark green leaves. I'll show it to you right now. So that's my division class. You guys are going to finish that worksheet. Once you finish that worksheet, we're going to do our journal entry. Don't worry about the days that you guys missed. The other class, we did this 22 days ago. Oh, there's an answer to one of the questions. But yeah, we did this 22 days ago. And we're going to get the division class up to speed. So, our Sage plant actually has grown a little since then. So, it looks like we have 2 sage plants growing right now. We can use sage and chicken. It's a herb, which is another answer to your question, but let's get this thing started. Alright, I'm going to write on the board the answers, and then I'll finish this, and then put the camera on there. Today's music is by Chopin, and here we go. Today's date, 4/14/20. We're talking about sage. And today, well, I gave you the answer, day 22. But the last time we met, it was day 5. And it's been 17 days since then. So, in your worksheet, you have this box right here, these three rows of boxes, or 3 columns of boxes, and the addition sign. So the last time we met was day 5, and it's been 17 days since. So, like I said with you other guys, in math there's imaginary lines. And you work up 1 column at a time. So we have 5 plus 7. So I'm going to draw 5 beach balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to add 7 more beach balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to put 2 here, and at 1, I'm going to put in this column. This column is all complete now, so I'm going to erase my beach balls, and I'm going to focus on this column. 1 beach ball, plus 1 more beach ball. That's how many total beach balls? 2. This column is now complete. I erase the beach balls. I have no more columns left with numbers in them. So I erase my imaginary lines. And it's day 22. My division class, don't worry about the previous 21 days. We're just going to start you on day 22, okay? It's a herb. The temperature today is 34 degrees. Don't forget the degree symbol. It's a little circle. My temperature last class was 43 degrees. Which one's warmer? Today 34 degrees, or last class 43 degrees? When we think about warmer, we think about what's the bigger number? 34 or 43? 43 degrees. So last class. By how much? Here's our subtraction box. We're going to put our bigger number, 43, last class, on top. take away the smaller number, today, 34. Remember to put your imaginary lines in there if you're doing it on scrap paper. This is a bit of a tricky problem because when you subtract, the bigger number always has to be on top. When that doesn't happen, you have to borrow from the next column. So the 3 is going to borrow one of the numbers here. Just one. So 4 take away 1 is 3. And that one we borrowed, we're just going to put up there. We're going to cross out this 3 and put it next to the 1. So now we have 13 take away 4. 13 is bigger than 4, so now we can do the problem. I'm going to draw 13 beach balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many beach balls are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have my number here. This column is complete. I'm going to work on this column now. Erase my beach balls. And I have 3, take away 3. 3 beach balls. 1, 2, 3. And I'm taking away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many beach balls are left? 0. I have no more columns with numbers in them, so I erase my imaginary lines. And there's my answer. It's a difference of 9 degrees. Outside is a little weird. It's sunny and cloudy, so we're just going to put cloudy. Keeps going back and forth. And it's actually snowy. It's snowing out there. So we're going to circle those. And now we're going to measure our plants. Ruler. Alright, so like in class, we're just going to round off to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. Let's see if that works. So, that top part of the plant, the leaf, is at the halfway mark. So, it's a 1/2 inch. So we're going to do like a fraction, 1/2 inches. We have no flowers. We have 2 herbs. The dirt is a little moist. If it's a little moist, we're not going to wet it. So is it wet? Yes. Whenever it's wet, we do not water it, so no, we're not going to water it. You could either copy it from here, or I'm going to put the answers on here, and then put the camera on top so you could copy it, maybe it'd be a little easier. Okay, if you want to copy from here, freeze the video now. Alright, so everyone's all caught up now with our Sage coloring worksheets. Everyone has the answers to the Sage Day 22 journal sheet. We're going to flip it over. And we have our pot that we're coloring. So I'm just using one from before. If you guys are running out of paper, that's perfectly fine to reuse it. If you want a nice fresh one, you can totally do that too. The save paper, maybe draw another one on top. Whatever works for you guys. So I already colored my pot, colored my dirt. For the pot I did an orange with a reddish orange brown to give a little detail. For the dirt, I did a brown with a black on top. Now I have to add these two little herbs. So if you want to pause the video now, you can pause it to get a good idea of what you're going to draw. Let's see if I can set up the camera. There's that. And you go look at that for a couple seconds, or pause it, up to you. Alright. Now, the stem is like almost like a yellowish light green, and the leaves are darker green compared to the stem. One's going to be bigger than the other, so I'm going to use my light green to start my stem. And the plant is very small right now, so I'm not going to draw a big giant plant. And just take your time. No rush. Nobody's going anywhere anytime soon. I try to see. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but you see by the leaves. There's these lines right here. It's very faint. It's a line here. And on this side, the line's over here. There you use, maybe you have a darker green. You can put that in there. Or you can use a black. It's just going to give it some more detail. And your picture should look something like this. So there's our two little herbs of sage. So that's that. Once you complete it, take a picture of it, forward it to my email. I know I got some emails, some messages on YouTube. If you have any questions at all, email me at my teacher CPS email so I can reply right away. Office hours are 9 to 1. Tomorrow we'll check out our different plants, see how they're doing. And yeah, have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.